simulator. They're in the middle of us. Look at them.
I've not seen Jane's face since it started. I love it. Look at Charlie. At least he doesn't have hair all over.
Oh, I could see. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Who's up?
Look at